Oh, hi. I got an idea. So as I was going through my old stuff, I came about this camera. So that's the question. Can we use this little guy to record the podcast? So for now, it's a 1080p and I would just like to test it to the maximum. Can you make videos using this camera? Okay, let's set it up. So when I bought this camera, I thought it was a good camera. Well, it goes with the condition. If the lighting is good, if everything is set up correctly, you can have a really good image, but not really good. Because the cameras have improved for the past 5 years. Everyone has been working in a tight space to improve something on the image and the quality of the videos. So when I was going through the old stuff, I said, okay, let me put this to the test. It uses micro USB and it has an SD card slot, and then you just power it on. I hope this still works. No. Oh no, I'm using the wrong picture. Wrong buttons. Okay, so it powers on now. It has a little crack, but it's okay. You can still see. It's good. It's good enough. So the power is halfway, and let's turn it off to try to see. I have an SD card here. You can see, let me try to plug it in. Okay, now starting it. Try to take a picture. Okay, it records. Okay, let's first format the SD card. Yeah. The formatting done. And okay, so we can just use a tripod like this to just hold it in place, and from there you can see that it has a very good image. So much as the screen is cracked, but I guess it can record. I'm gonna put it to the test and see how much video and what is the quality can we get from this. Okay, so I will not be using, I think I can even use this. It's good enough, I think. So because I'm one-man team, so I don't know, but I can use this one. Yeah. Now I'll hit record. Yeah, record. Okay, it can record while it is charging, which is a good thing. I'm not sure if it's not gonna get hot, and I'm worried a little bit because I really wanted to connect this camera to the microphone and see if I can use this microphone to do it onto this camera, and if I can use such a camera to shoot the podcast. And if it works, it will be the cheapest setup ever when it comes to the camera, I guess. Alright, so let's wait for this camera to charge a little bit, then we can have this microphone connected to this camera and we see if we can hear anything at all. I think this camera is out of power. because you saw it said, I think no one saw it. Oh. Okay, so it shut down, just shut down right now. I think I'm gonna power it using the power bank. I have a power bank here. And I have something that looks like a cable. It's here. Oh, how am I gonna charge it? Okay, let me charge it a little bit. Okay, so I think it records. Okay, it can record while it is charging, which is a good thing. I'm not sure if it's not gonna get hot, and I'm worried a little bit because I really wanted to connect this camera to the microphone and see if I can use this microphone to this camera, and if I can use such a camera to shoot a podcast. And if it works, it will be the cheapest setup ever when it comes to the camera, I guess. Alright, so let's wait for this camera to charge a little bit, then we can have this microphone connected to this camera and we'll see if we can hear anything at all. This is a kind of an adapter that takes it to micro USB to USB, and it's the one that I'm gonna, because this is gonna be the host device, I'm gonna connect to this, and then from there I'm gonna connect USB cable. So then I want to connect this to this, and then from here, if you follow me, if you're watching my videos, you know what this is. It's a pod track, which I'm gonna power. I'm gonna power it with the same power bank that is powering this camera, because I'm trying to avoid the noise from other electronics. Okay, it's powering on. You can see it. Powering on. Now I'm gonna connect to data. And then I'm gonna shift to the headphone because the audio is already in, because this microphone is already connected from here. So I'm gonna connect. Yeah, I guess now I can hear myself. Can I? Yeah, I can hear myself very well. And from there, yeah, very good. Yeah, so from here, I should be able to connect it to this little camera and see if the audio was good. Okay. Okay. Hope it doesn't shut down. No. Okay. It's powered in, it's connected in. I do not know if the audio is going out there. I really don't know. I'm just hoping that the audio is going there, because there is no way to monitor from here or to change the source of the audio. It is the microphone, or if this recognizes it as a microphone, that I don't know. Wow. But if this audio was there, let me increase the preamps. I guess shall be able to know that. I'm increasing as much preamp as I can. It's already making noise. I'm increasing as much preamp as I can. I hope this audio is going straight to here. So that's the only way to know if we can use this little guy to shoot a podcast. No. It's powered in, it's connected in. I do not know if the audio is going out there. I really don't know. I'm just hoping that the audio is going there, because there is no way to monitor from here or to change the source of the audio. See, the microphone or this recognizes it as a microphone. That I don't know. Wow. But if this audio was there, let me increase the preamps. I guess we shall be able to know that. I'm increasing as much preamp as I can. It's already making noise. I'm increasing as much preamp as I can. I hope this audio is going straight to here. So that's the only way to know if we can use this little guy to shoot a podcast. So that's the question. Can we use this little guy to record a podcast? And yeah, I think that should be I don't know. I'm asking myself if you can use this little guy to shoot a podcast. Yeah. So for now, we shall know in a minute. So once I take this video from here, from this to the editing mode, then I should be able to know if we can trust this camera for a podcast. So I think I'm gonna end this video from here. It was short, however, I will try another way, trying to test this, and because I can connect this to here, and unplug this like this, and then I will connect this, which says that I can power it with this, connecting it here. See if this can charge. Don't know if this is charging or not. That's it. I don't think it's doing anything. Low power. That's what it's saying. So again, let me try this before it shuts down. So I was trying to connect this to this and also power it like this to see if we can still get the audio in a normal format. So this is just a hub that takes an SD card and the USB. Then you can still power your phone. It is like an iPhone or anything that uses Type-C, to see if we can still do what we're doing. We can still plug in the microphone and still charge and still get the audio onto this device. Anyway, that's for now. If you want to know the specification of this little guy, please let me know, and see you in another video. So it turns out that you cannot connect this microphone onto this little guy because they only support charging while recording. So everything that I tried to connect onto didn't work. Even using this adapter didn't work at all. So and the video image or the quality of the video from this little guy, whenever I put the video clip from this little guy, I said the video from the little camera, so you should be able to see any video that will come from here. If you really think it's okay, then it's fine, you can find it and use it in your own videos. If you think this is trash, then you can just trash it, because there are better action cameras, better than this. Like, this is trash. To me, this is trash. Maybe it should be used as a dash cam, I don't know, because the quality is really poor. It's really poor, so I do not recommend using this making any of your videos. Maybe if you want to start and you don't have anything and someone gives it to you, or you pick it somewhere, you can maybe use it. but I don't recommend using this to make your YouTube videos. You can rather use your phone. It's much better. And your phone, I think, if it has Type-C, I'm 100% sure that it can support this microphone. So thank you for watching, and let me know what you think about the image quality of this camera, and also any other idea that you have, any other comment, please comment and subscribe. Then see you around.